What brings me satisfaction in my work is simply knowing that a segment of our society that historically has not had access to justice is at least allowed their day in court. And by that segment, I mean American Indian society. The mere opportunity to advocate on behalf of Indian rights is a victory in and of itself.
Gabe is motivated by human rights. Gabe is not the type of person that can watch something happen, know it's wrong, and figure it's up to somebody else to deal with it.
I'm consistently amazed and in awe of his drive and his desire to give and improve the practice of the law and improve the lives of tribal members and his clients.
These are all pieces of art that have either been gifted to us or paid to us as fees for our work.
I would describe Gabe as one of the leaders of Indian country, one of my better friends, one of the best people that you want on your side, and the scariest person not on your side.
If you've ever met Gabe, you know that he's a force, and when he gets behind something, whether it's inclusion of Indian law on the bar exam, you know that nothing will stop him.
In Gabe's efforts to make sure that inmates who are currently serving their time are also protected for their Native American, American Indian, and Alaskan Native religious freedoms. In doing that work, starting in 2010, where he was successfully able to compel the Department of Corrections to offer a formal apology, which is unheard of in Indian country, to then move forward and start a nonprofit called Hoyt. Hoyt is a Salish term that means we will never say goodbye. And Gabe's intention was to make sure that this work continues whether we are doing the work or whether it's passed forward. And in doing so, it has now become an international conversation, a nationally recognized work, and the program that started this work has become a model for other prisons to look at.
I would be remiss if I didn't thank my wife, my rock, whose sacrifice allows me to do what I do each and every day. To also thank my legal team at Galanda Broadman, whose conviction in fighting for tribal rights, even in the face of tribal governmental injustice, is unmatched. And to allies like Winona Stevens and Minty Longearth, who do the really hard work behind prison walls on behalf of our relatives who are attempting to worship as a mode of their rehabilitation.